So the question arises, who should be responsible for what part of the design of connections between the concrete core and the steel frame? So there'll be a contractual boundary which has to be determined. And in my view, when I wrote the design guide, the appropriate question to answer is what split of responsibility involves the transfer of the least amount of information. And it's clear that the organization or the person that designs the concrete cores has all the information that's required for determining the resistance of embedded reinforcement, the resistance of the shear studs on the back of the casting plate. So the design effort involved in that side of the connection detail, it's sensible that that should be carried out by the person who's designed the concrete core. So generally, the structural designer has all the information on geometry, design loads, etc. The details of the reinforcement in the core, so how the casting plate will relate to the primary reinforcement in the core, and the specification of the concrete strengths, etc. So to summarize, the best split of responsibility for design is on the face of the concrete wall, so that the details inside the concrete should be designed by the structural engineer or the subcontractor who's responsible for the design of the concrete core if it's a different party. And on the steel side, the steelwork contractor should be responsible for the fin plate design and the connection to the face of the casting plate.